My level 2 cheese pizza. Wait, first I'm gonna cut it. First the level 2. And then the level 1 cheese that I make. Let's try it. I have the cheese thing, the level 1 cheese and the level 2 cheese. The moment of truth. So much good. Comment. Wait. Comment with a level 3 pizza. And that can subscribe. Bye bye.